Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to get Mailchimp API key for WordPress. Well, to obtain Mailchimp API key, here's what you're going to do. Go to Mailchimp website. So go to mailchimp.com, then log in to your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, go to your account settings. In the top right corner, click on your profile name and select account from the drop-down menu. Under the Extras tab, click on API Keys. Scroll down to your API Keys section and click on the Create a Key button. Mailchimp will generate a new API key for you. After creation, you'll see your new API key displayed. Click the Copy button to save it to your clipboard. In your WordPress admin dashboard, go to the Plugin Settings or Theme option where Mailchimp integration is required. Paste the API key in the designated field. Then, don't forget to save your changes. And that's how to get Mailchimp API keys for WordPress. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.